sirens going off at the top of Mount Tabor. And hold on, there's a car coming. We saw a bunch of Israeli fighter jets earlier circling around, heading towards Lebanon and Syria, and now we're hearing air raid sirens going off. So we're not sure what's going on, but putting the two together, I'm going to deduce that it's not a good situation. So that's what's going on. Seriously, it is everywhere.
I think that's the get in your bomb shelter.
If I see a missile fell over our head, that would be the craziest thing in my life.
This is Cana, Nazareth. This is I think this is the Jordan Valley. We're hearing all these air raid sirens. It's kind of spooky.